Hello, everyone. This is my oral presentation for English Level 3. The main topic of my presentation is the impact of Petrobras on the environment. I want to start by introducing myself. I will give reasons with Petrobras contributes to pollution, and to finish I will describe actions to reduce this impact. About myself. My name is Hamilton Bolaños. I am 28 years old. I am a student of mathematics. I living in Cunday, Tolima. I really like to play and watch soccer. What is Petrobras? Petrobras is a Brazilian company founded in 1993 in Rio de Janeiro. It is dedicated to the exploitation of oil and gas, production, refinement, and supply of petroleum and crude products, and generation, transportation, and distribution of electrical energy. Petrobras is present in Argentina, Bolivia, Colombia, and Mexico. Consequence of climate change. Oil production is produced by its accidental or international release into the environment, causing adverse effects on man or the environment directly or indirectly. Pollution involves our operations related to the exploitation and transportation of hydrocarbons, which inevitably lead to the gradual deterioration of the environment. It directly affects the soil, water, air, and flora and fauna. How do you contribute to the climate change? I contributed taking care of the water, planting trees, recycling, saving electrical energy. Likewise, supporting campaigns that help to combat climate change. As if something new occurs with companies, we can send petitions or demands to the authorities. This is what I wanted to share with you. Thank you and bye.